seeing this right now? Hello? Oops, just a second. I've gotten a few wigs from SHEIN and I always get the best quality. Look at this. This is their 28-inch body wave wig, 13x6 part. And look at that. The knots are really small. Like, that's awesome. You can part it anywhere, even though it kind of comes with that pre-made middle part. Ooh. And it also came with a free gift. You guys can get it too. Just use that code. I'm gonna put it in the video. You guys can get like the wig glue, the wax stick, another like your lay down strappy thingy, edge comb. What is this? Edge control with aloe, honey, and that's such good quality stuff. And then the wig glue remover, which I love. Like, it smells so good and it really removes the glue so easily. I always wash and blow dry my wigs before I style them, before I wear them. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Before I wash it, this is it in the natural state that it comes in, straight out the pack. Oh, this is their 150 density, but honestly it's giving 180. I cannot wait to style this wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and I'll be back. Let's take a look at the luster. Isn't that so beautiful? And let's look at the lace as well still. Absolutely gorgeous. The ends are also super full. This is what the water looked like after I washed it. Just once. I just used my co-wash and yeah, there's no like dye left behind, no hair left behind. Looking pretty good. While it is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this lace tint mousse from SHEIN. It's in the shade light brown, and I find that it works really well if I don't feel like using foundation or lace spray, which I don't have. I ran out, so I'm gonna use this. Just like that, I can use a brush and kind of press it in. This is what we're working with. I did pluck it just a little bit more, honestly, just like two rows back. Like, I just kind of did a little, you know, vertical pluck. You guys know how to do it. And this is what we're working with. And then I added a little bit of foundation. So some parts there's like more foundation than others. That's it. Oh, it's looking so good already. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it and cut the lace. So while the hair is still slightly wet, I'm just gonna create a middle part and kind of do a layered look so that we can make like a bombshell look. I'm gonna go in with my razor and just start at the top of my chisel. I don't want to cut too much because I don't want the ends to be too thin. So I'm just gonna do that. So this is how it's looking after a blow dry. Oh my god, look at the movement. Hello? I'm not gonna work tonight though, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of set these up and then I will install it with the glue and everything tomorrow. This is after I let the wig sit in these rollers for honestly like a week. I didn't get a chance to take them out or do anything with it, but look at this hair, you guys. I cannot talk about how soft it is enough. It is just so gorgeous, so fluffy, so full. It's not even heavy on my head. It just has that perfect amount of fullness, and I still can't believe it's only a 180. Oh, I'm sorry, it's actually only a 150. Look at that. And I didn't even lay it down yet. But anyway, here I am just using the edge glue that it comes with. You can use that code once again to get it for free. It's a nice little gift. But yeah, and also the edge control. The edge gel, I love how soft it is. It doesn't feel like a gel. It's super smooth and nourishing to the skin. I decided to go with a fluffy edge hairline, so I didn't really make it super neat. I wanted to just kind of look natural, and I am using the wig band that it comes with as well, that little kit comes with, and just applying some final spray. Look at the bounce. We got the bounce. Raise your hand if you know where that's from. I give this wig a 10 out of 10. It was super easy to style. I didn't get any tangling, any shedding. It's just so full. The more you play with it, the fuller it gets. And like I said before, it's not heavy, so you can't even tell. But honestly, look at the sheen. I didn't even put any like oil in it or anything, which I usually don't do on my wigs, but the sheen on this, oh, it just looks so pretty. It looks so pretty, and I love the style that I went with for it, because then I can do like a flip over. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the final look. Thanks, bye.